JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got a pouch here, and there's no clip on it and no belt clip. We're going to make one. So what you do is you take some Gorilla Tape, and it's about a piece that long, rip it off like that. And what you want to do is you want to try to fold it in half. Okay, stick it to each other evenly, like that. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to take another piece, and I'm going to pull it off like that. Put it on your pouch. Okay. And then you want to stick this piece on here like this. This is makeshift. Okay. I mean, this is the best you can do because you really can't sew it unless you take the whole thing apart. Okay. And I'm going to take a smaller piece for the top, rip it, and we're going to have to cut that. The scissors. That. Cut this side. Take about that much off. This stuff sticks really well, so it should stay in the pouch as a belt loop. So you put it on there like that, and I don't want that sticking out there. Take this off. Put that off to the side, and I think we're going to go around. So let's take another piece, and I'm going to split it down the middle like that. Let's go around to really secure it. And go right around like that. Okay. And then take this off the bottom. You've got to make sure that it sticks well. Anything, see how that's gonna pull this off. Let's make this a little bit shorter. That's where the scissors come in hand. Cut it about right there. And then take this piece and you could also, a lot of backpackers, they'll tape their, if you keep your gear together, they'll just, tape it right to the frame of your backpack or belt, they'll just tape it on, and just access it from there. They don't actually wear it on the waist, so to speak. And then we got to cut this piece off up here. Let's get that off. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. Cut that off like that. And you've got a loop, see? You got a loop for the belt. You might want to extend it more down here with a piece of tape. So let's take that off. You can actually go like this. Right up to the Velcro. That'll even make it more secure. Yeah, it looks like hell, but you know what? You're putting something to good use, and you're figuring something out. So there you go. You got a belt loop for your tool. Sorry, it's early in the morning and I'm Only had 1 cup of coffee, so please excuse me. So there you go. You have a belt loop made out of Gorilla Tape for your pouch. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next video. And stay safe, please.